Welcome to Marigold Lesson. I am Lucky. Let's listen and recite the poem in this session.
I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a miner in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So, I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk.
If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you? Just you.
Very nice poem stressing the need to be just ourselves. Let's look at the new words before going into the overall meaning of the poem. The word butterfly means a type of insect with large, often brightly colored wings.
Example sentences are: It is so exciting to see butterflies visit our garden. A butterfly sat on the flower.
The word myna means a black or dark brown bird from India that can sing imitating human voice.
Example sentences are: I saw a myna singing near my apartment. I like kuhu kuhu voice of myna.
The word fish means an animal that lives in water, that has fin.
Example sentences are: Several large fish live in the pond. Sanjay caught the biggest fish I had ever seen.
The word kangaroo means a large Australian mammal with a long stiff tail, short front legs and long powerful back legs on which it moves by jumping.
Example sentences are: Kangaroos are mostly found in Australia. I saw a kangaroo hop.
The word octopus means a sea creature with a soft, oval body and 8 tentacles. Tentacles are long parts like arms.
Example sentences are: An octopus has 8 arms. I saw an octopus in the museum.
Each of the animals have their own special qualities and, the poet says, if I am a butterfly, I will be thankful for my wings. If I am a myna bird, I will be thankful for my voice. If I am a fish, I will be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle. If I am a kangaroo, I will be thankful that I can hop. If I am an octopus, I will be thankful for my 8 arms. The important message in the poem is: So, I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. Each of us must feel lucky and proud to be ourselves, and there is no need for us to become like someone else. Having understood the poem, let's do exercises from the textbook. Complete these sentences.
A butterfly can fly. A myna can sing. A fish can wriggle. An elephant raises its trunk. A kangaroo can hop. You can dance.
Well done. It's talk time. Let's discuss following questions. Why do you think the butterfly likes its wings?
The butterfly likes its wings because they are very colorful and help them to fly.
What can Myna do?
A myna can sing.
Do you think the fish was really happy to be in water?
Yes, the fish was happy to be in water as it can swim with its fins.
What can you do? Sing, paint, right?
Mr. Wiz, I can sing and dance.
I love to draw and paint.
What are the lucky things that have happened to you? Tell your friends in the class.
I am lucky, because I have strong legs and I can jump.
I am lucky, because I have good voice, and I can sing.
Excellent. With this we have come to the end of the session, lesson I am lucky.